Procedures on how to make Ethernet cable straight through cable. The things are needed: bulk Ethernet cable category 5E or Cat 5E. You may also use category 6 or Cat 6 cabling, which has higher performance specification. It is about 20% more expensive than Cat 5E. Bulk RJ45 clippable connectors for Cat 5E or bulk RJ45 crimpable connectors for Cat 6. How to make a straight-through Ethernet cable. Step 1. Cut into the plastic sheet about 1 inch 2.5 from the end of the CAD cable. The crimping tool has a razor blade that will do the trick with practice. Step 2. Unwind and pair the similar colors. Step 3. Pinch the wire between your finger and straighten them out as shown. The color order is important to get correct. Step 4. Use scissors to make a straight cut across the 8 wires to shorten them to the 1/2 inch from the cut sleeve to the end of the wires. Step 5. Carefully push all 8 unstraight color wires into the connector. Note the position of the blue plastic sleeve. Also note how the wires go all the way to the end. Step 6. Crimping the cable. Carefully place the connector into the Ethernet crimper and pinch down on the handle tightly. The copper splicing tabs on the connector will pierce into each of the 8 wires. There is also a locking tab that holds the blue plastic sleeve in place for a tight compression fit. When you remove the cable from the crimper, the end is ready to use. For a standard straight-through cable, repeat all the steps and wires color order on the other end of the cable. Procedure on how to make a crossover Ethernet cable. What you'll need: unshielded twisted pair patch cable, modular connector aka RJ45, crimping tools, cable tester optional but recommended. Step 1. Strip the cable jacket about 1.5 inch down from the end. Step 2. Spread the 4 pairs of twisted wire apart. For Cat 5E, you can use the pull string to strip the jacket further down if you need to. Then, cut the pull string. Cat 6 cable have a spine that will also need to be cut. Step 3. Untwist the wire pairs and neatly align them in the T568B orientation. Be sure that to untwist them any further down the cable than where the jacket begins. We want to leave as much of the cable twisted as possible. Step 4. Cut the wires as straight as possible, about 0.5 inch above the end of the jacket. Step 5. Carefully insert the wire all the way into the modular connector, making sure that each wire passes through the appropriate guide inside the connector. Step 6. Push the connector inside the crimping tool and squeeze the crimper all the way down. Step 7. Repeat step 1 to 6 for the other end of the cable. Step 8. To make sure you've successfully terminated each end of the cable, use a cable tester to test each pin. When you're all done, the connectors should be like this. That's it for crossover cable. Simple. Make one end of the cable a T568A and the other end a T568B. Now, you can make Ethernet cable of any length, fix broken connector, or make yourself a crossover cable. Happy crimping!